This is an interactive workshop. We're going to start right away. 5, 6, 7, 8, and here we go! Dance opens up the opportunity for conversations. If there's something that you wish people understood about you better, if you don't know the steps, just move! When we share the impact that another person has made on our life, not only do we shine a light on them, but we shine a light on our own worth. We are creating connection right here in this room by the fact that we are moving together. Humor and playfulness is another way that I like to connect, and I think it is actually a really healthy way to have play in our lives. You guys weren't expecting that, right? Sometimes there's just something about the freedom to be able to express ourselves a little more. There's one thing that for me would have made a big difference, and that is if I knew how to ask for help, and more importantly, if I knew it was okay to ask for help. It's hard to be vulnerable, I get it. So for you all in this room who may be able to resonate with some of the things I said, that you're questioning, am I making a difference? With time, with inviting people in, adding some playfulness and silliness, asking for help, you can start to create the experiences that you want for yourself. Will this or does this make a difference? And the answer is yes. I have a very vivid memory at 16 years old saying to myself, if I make it to be an adult, it will be a miracle. Here I am. Andre, you guys, thank you very much. Thank you.